Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Charlie May Alugar. I am 41 years old, a single parent of 5 children. I have 4 girls and 1 boy. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the number 5 child of the family. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for over 2 years. 2 years and 10 months to be exact. When I arrived in Kuwait, there were 3 kids. Their ages are 10, 8, and 2. The 10 and 8 are going to school. My mom and sir drive them and fetch them from school. My employers are hands-on about their kids. So what I do, I wake up early in the morning, prepare the meals, help the kids to wear the uniforms, shoes, and I carry their bags to accompany them to the car. When they arrive from school, I help them to take their bath by taking or giving their needs. About the 2-year-old girl, I have to take her well because she's too young and not schooling yet. I make her milk, change diaper, change clothes, play with her, and teach her some basics. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more for my family. I would love to do the Hong Kong procedures. I know it is not the same as I did in Kuwait. Mom and sir, I am willing to learn from you. Please give me the chance to work for your family. I hope you will confirm with me so I can come to your family soon and serve all the members of the family. Thank you and have a good day.